हेलो एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। 15 मई 2022 को जो एग्जाम हुआ है बीपीएससी सीडीपीओ का, उसका पेपर हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। स्टेट नंबर ए है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 जेप्टो इज इक्वल टू, करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी 10 to the power -21। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 2, द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ ए पेंडुलम क्लॉक इज ऑप्शन B 2 seconds. The time period of a pendulum clock is 2 seconds. Next question is 3. A sudden rise in the barometric height indicates. Correct option C, dry weather. Next question 4. During very cold weather, dash of water helps in preventing the aquatic life. Correct option B, expansion. During very cold weather, expansion of water helps in preserving the aquatic life. Next question 5. Which of the following is greenhouse gas? Correct option E, CO2, ozone, CFC. CFC is most dangerous among all of these, and methane. Next question 6. In a barber shop, two plane mirror are placed. Correct option A, parallel to each other. Next question 7. The hearing frequency range of cat is. Correct option is option C, 45 Hz to 64 kHz. Next question 8. When a bar magnet is placed in the earth magnetic field with its north pole pointing towards the geographical north and the number of neutral points around the magnetic. Correct option A, 2. Next question 9. In big showroom and departmental store, the vigilance mirror used is a, correct option is option B, convex mirror. Convex mirror is used in big showroom and departmental store. Next question 10. The process of charging a conductor by bringing it near another charged conductor without making any contact is called. Correct option is option A, induction. Next question 11. The process of separating different dissolved constituents of a mixture by their adsorption on an appropriate material is called. Correct option C, chromatography. Next question 12. The alphabet X in X-ray stand for flash ray. Correct option B, unknown. The alphabet X in X-ray stand for unknown ray. Next question 13. Water gas is a mixture of. Correct option A, CO plus H2. Next question 14. Water is an excellent cooling agent because of its, correct option C, high specific heat. Water has high specific heat, so it is used as cooling agent. Next question 15. Colloids have particle size range between, correct option is option A, 10 to the power -7 meter to 10 to the power -10 meter. Next question 16. The purest form of the amorphous carbon is, correct option D, lamp black. Next question 17. The modern atomic symbols are based on the method proposed by, correct option B, Berzelius. Next question 18. Which of the following is not a characteristics of a chemical change? Correct option A, it is irreversible. Next question 19. Substances that radially absorb moisture from other substances without chemically react with them are called, correct option E, means desiccants, deliquescent substance, efflorescent substance, dehydrating agents. Next question 20. Inhalation of air polluted with carbon monoxide is dangerous because, correct option B, CO combined with hemoglobin. Next question 21. Clones of animals are being produced through the particles of, correct option C, biotechnology. Through biotechnology, clones of animals are being produced. Next question 22. Which of the following is found both in the cell of a mango plant and a monkey? Correct option D, cell membrane. Cell membrane is present in both plant as well as animal. Next question 23. Which of the following connects a muscle to a bone? Correct option C, tendon. Tendon connect muscle and bone. Next question 24. The part of the flower that gives rise to a fruit is called, Correct option C, ovary. Next question 25. Which of the following is an example of binomial scientific name? Correct option C, Rana tigrina. Next question 26. The most common carrier of कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज इज, कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज वो होता है जो एक दूसरे से कम्युनिकेट करता है थ्रू वेरियस एजेंट्स। करेक्ट ऑप्शन बी, हाउस फ्लाई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 27। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द बेस्ट सोर्स ऑफ विटामिन ए? करेक्ट ऑप्शन सी, कैरोट। कैरोट is the best source of vitamin A. Next question 28. The type of joint found at shoulder is also found at, correct option C, ankle. Next question 29. Which of the following organs most actively functions to regulate our body temperature? Correct option C, lungs. Lungs helps to regulate our body temperature. Next question 30. Yeast is used in the production of, correct option is alcohol. Yeast is mainly used for production of alcohol. Next question 31. In how many medals India be won in Tokyo Paralympic held in August and September 2021? Correct option C, 19. Next question 32. What is Central Vista Redevelopment Project? Correct option D. It refers to the ongoing redevelopment project to revamp the central administrative area located near Raisena Hills, New Delhi. Next question 33. Good Governance Day, which commemorate the birth anniversary of India's former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, is celebrated every year on, correct option C, 25 December. 25 December is the birth anniversary of Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Next question 34. The highest railway bridge in the world is built over which of the following rivers? Correct option C, Chenab. Highest railway bridge is built over Chenab River. Next question 35. Who among the following launched One Nation One Ration Card scheme under the National Food Security Act? Correct option C, Ram Vilas Paswan, former Union Minister. Next question 36. Mission Indradhanush launched in 2014 and intensified Mission Indradhanush 3.0. A scheme are related to, correct option is option C, immunization of all children and all pregnant women. Next question 37. In which state has the Archaeological Survey of India unearthed 900-year-old Buddhist monastery? Correct option D, Jharkhand. Next question 38. Which has become the only city in India in 2020 to be recognized as a tree city of the world in recognition of the city's commitment to grow and maintain urban forest? Correct option D, Hyderabad. Next question 39. According to the World Air Quality Report 2020, which of the following capitals has been found as the most polluted capital? Correct option D, New Delhi. New Delhi is the most polluted capital. Next question 40. The Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award has been renamed after which of the following sports person? Correct option C, Major Dhyan Chand. Next question 41. Which country won the highest number of gold medal in Tokyo Olympic 2020 held in 2021? Correct option A, USA. USA won most number of golds in Olympic held in Tokyo. Next question 42. Under the Mars mission, which of the following Arab countries has launched is a spacecraft named Hope/Al-Amal to Mars in the year 2020? Correct option A, United Arab Emirates. Next question 43. Which of the first country in the world to provide free sanitary product to all women in their country? Correct option number B, Switzerland. Next question 44. The Quadrilateral Security Dialogue, also known as Quad, is a group of which of the following countries? Correct option C, USA, India, Australia and Japan are called Quad countries. Next question 45. Which of the following decides the Nobel Prize, Peace Prize? Correct option number D, Norwegian Nobel Committee. All prizes except peace prizes is given by Norwegian Nobel Committee. Next question 46. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala became the first woman of the world and the first African woman to be appointed as the head of the World Trade Organization WTO. She hails from which country? Correct option option C, Nigeria. Next question 47. Taliban has changed the name of Afghanistan. What is the new name of Afghanistan? Correct option option C, Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. Correct option is option C. Next question 48. Who has won the US Open men's single Grand Slam 2021 by defeating Serbian world number 1? Correct option option A, Daniil Medvedev. Next question 49. Which pharmaceutical company or biotechnology company manufactures Covishield vaccine in India? Correct option is option C, Serum Institute of India Private Limited. Next question is 50. What is CPEC project? Correct option option C, China Pakistan Economic Corridor. CPEC project is mainly made by China in POK region. Thanks for watching my video. Please share, like and subscribe. In next video we will discuss from question 51 to 100. Thank you.